Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. One. Today I'm going to talk about cloves and its 15 medical uses and also how to prepare them. It's not just talking of the advantages but also how to prepare them. So, first of all, let's look at the first part of the video clip. Cloves are beneficial due to their rich antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which help fight oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. They also support oral health by acting as a natural antiseptic and can aid digestion by stimulating digestive enzymes. Other benefits of cloves include potentially blood sugar control or regulation, immune system support, and contribution to bone health. Now let's look at each of these one. Key benefits of cloves. So we talked about rich in antioxidant. Cloves contain high levels of antioxidants like eugenol, which neutralize harmful free radicals to reduce oxidative stress and risk of chronic disease or diseases. The next one is anti-inflammatory properties. So eugenol in cloves has anti-inflammatory effects and that help to reduce swelling and pain around your teeth. The next one is oral health. So oral health here, we talk about cloves oil, and I will tell you now how to prepare the cloves oil. It can be prepared either by opeculation or by maceration. So those are the two ways you can prepare them. If it's not macerated, it can be percolated. So when it is percolated, that's when you make good use of this oil. So clove oil is a traditional remedy for toothaches due to its natural anesthetic and antibacterial properties, which help fight oral bacteria and freshen breath. So if you have smelling mouth, what we call halitosis, then this is what is meant for you. The next one is digestive aid. Cloves contain stimulated digestive enzymes which helps improve digestion and can reduce gas and bloating. So if you're having this condition where you eat food and you feel kind of stagnated, then this is meant for you. And in this case, you need to use an elixir, not the clove oil. So elixir here consists of you grinding the cloves, or you leave it in alcohol for 7 days. Like so, it's ready for you to use, for you to sip it before and after eating. The next important use of cloves is your immune system. Their antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties can help the body fight off infections and boost the immune system. The next one is blood sugar regulation. Compounds in cloves may help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin function and increasing insulin secretion. That's we talk about secretagogic effect and the bone health. So cloves are a good source of manganese, a mineral essential for bone strengthening. Now let's look at the 15th benefit of cloves. This is just amazing. So like I did say in the beginning, the uses of cloves that I told you all that there are 15 uses. So I can put it this way: what are the benefits of cloves? So when it comes to cloves benefit, they range from fighting inflammation to promoting digestion and improving your hair health. So you can use also to grow your hair. See, if you have your hair that is falling or that brittle or that breaks easily, then that's good. All of these benefits are discussed below. Check them out. So we have number one, may fight inflammation. So studies have shown that the eugenol in cloves works as a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. This also holds true for clove essential oil, one form of clove that is widely available. So this has been done in animal studies where they found that eugenol in cloves could lower pro-inflammatory cytokines, which are signaling molecules that cause inflammation in the body. Hence, it could help treat inflammation associated with arthritis in humans. The next one is may help reduce cancer risk. A study showed that clove extract can prevent tumor growth and induce cancer cell death. The anti-cancer property of clove can be attributed to eugenol. Again, that magic molecule called eugenol is marvelous. And again, that molecule which may also reduce the risk of esophageal cancer. Cloves are also good source of antioxidant. Antioxidant fights free radicals to prevent oxidative stress that damages the cells and causes inflammation. This may protect you against cancer. Clove extract was also found to be lethal for breast cancer cells in another studies. So you see the advantages of using these cloves. While cloves may have potential benefits, we do also say that it can be used in medical devices and diagnosis. Always consult with your qualified healthcare professional before you get engaged in this one. The third one is may improve oral health, like I was saying before. The eugenol in cloves is believed to provide relief from tooth pain. Research suggests that it does this by affecting certain channels in the nerve cells that handle pain signals. The substance is an anesthetic and the antibacterial property, and that may help you deal with the pain. One simple way to get rid of toothache is to place a few whole cloves in your mouth and moisten them with your saliva. So I would suggest in this case you transform them into powder. Say you grind them like so, it should be fine to apply it there. You can crush the cloves with your teeth if you wish. The oil is released, it releases fight the pain, and this you can use a whole clove for 30 minutes before discarding it and repeat the process with a new one. The next one is diabetes. So we talk about diabetes 8, May 8 diabetes treatment. So in this case, we had some volunteers who were involved in these studies. It was reported that it lowers their glucose level before and after meal after consuming clove extract. Another animal study showed that cloves could moderate blood sugar spike in diabetic mice. So this could be an opportunity for those of you with diabetes to give a try for this one. The next one is may improve liver health. This is also important. Eugenol, an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound in cloves, can improve liver health. So if you are struggling with liver, then this can be something wonderful for you. According to one study, the ascorbic acid and beta cystosterol compound are cloves that can inhibit hepatic cell proliferation. So you can hear for yourself what it does. So it's left for you now to look for where this is found and make use of it before your situation gets worse. The eugenol rich fraction ERF in clove also decreases oxidative stress and act against liver cirrhosis. So that's the good news. The next one is bone health, which I said before. The hydroalcoholic extract of dry clove is rich in polyphenols such as eugenol and eugenol extractive and can promote bone density. So that's the good news. So if you're having brittle bones, then this one is meant for you. According to animal study published in the Natural Product Research Journal, supplements with clove extract restore the urinary calcium, phosphate, creatinine level, indicating improved bone retention. The next one is it may promote digestive health. Like I said, that it does contain some enzymes that stimulate your digestion, or what we call gastric emptying. And in this case, you need the oil to use. So the oils from cloves can increase the thickness of gastric mucosa and protect the stomach lining and prevent peptic ulcer. That's the good news. May aid weight loss. So if you are struggling with your weight, this can be a good news. So in this case, I will suggest you make elixir. Elixir is the only way you can consume this clove, because if you make it in alcohol, it might irritate your system or create some situation down the road, because you have to use this thing for quite some time. Cloves contain natural fatty acid synthesis inhibitors, which can reduce body mass. In animal studies, alcohol extract of cloves AEC were found to lower lipid accumulation in the liver, abdominal, adipose tissues weight, and body weight. So far, so good. Then the next one is respiratory health. So in respiratory health, I will say use the oil in this case. So if you are having asthma, then this one is good for you. Or say you are having cough, you can use also the preparation of a clove for your situation. I'll be happy to explain further for those who are interested. I'm going to make a next video now for various options to explain in detail how to prepare this solution or elixir of cloves. So you can massage the oil into your chest, sinus, and the bridge of your nose. As per anecdotal evidence, these may open the breathing passage and provide relief. You can also add the oil or steep a few cloves in a glass of warm water and take it as tea. So you have cloves now in the form of tea. Then the next one is a headache. If you are having headache, this one should interest you. Clove oil is extensively used in aromatherapy to treat headache. This could attribute to the eugenol in clove, which has an analgesic pain relief property. So you simply have to crush a few cloves and put them in a clean handkerchief. Inhale the smell whenever you have headache. Alternatively, you can add 2 drops of clove oil in a teaspoon of coconut oil and gently massage over your forehead, and things should be fine. The next one is for those who are struggling with erectile dysfunction. Listen to this one keenly. May boost testosterone level. So my studies have shown that the oral ingestion of cloves can enhance testicular function and ultimately boost testosterone level. A study published in Andrology Journal evaluated how the flower buds of cloves affect male reproductive health. The research tested the effect of chronic oral exposure to aqueous extract of clove flower buds in 3 different dosages over 35 days. Over 35 days spermatogenic cycle in mice. So that's one. It's good for you to know. The next one is for acne. If you are having acne, then this one should interest you, that you can make this clove, and in this case you need to make it either in elixir or in oil, and that will be great for you to apply it on the affected area of your skin and things should be fine. So I've talked about acne. I've talked about stress relief. We've talked about headache. We've talked about testosterone. So those are them. The another one is if your hair is falling. Yes, I forgot talking about that one. That you can make this one in the form of oil. In the form of oil, you apply it on your scalp. So some believe clove oil can be used in scalp and hair treatment. The oil is also touted to increase blood circulation and promote hair growth. However, these benefits of clove are not backed by scientific research, but again, you can do that and see for yourself how it works. So far, so good. My name is Dr. WAN. We've come to the end of this interesting video, and if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. And don't forget, ask questions and I'll be more than happy to answer. Remember, I'm here to assist you. You are not paying me. So far, so good. My name is Dr. WAN. Thank you and have a wonderful evening. Ciao.